Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yako, and this channel content has to do with CorelDraw, Adobe Illustrator, and Photoshop. If you visit my channel, all you have to do is to make sure you click on videos. And when you click on video, you'll be able to see my present and past tutorial in CorelDraw, Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. So all you have to do is to scroll down and see my tutorial. All these tutorials were made for basic to advanced in CorelDraw, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. All you have to do is to watch the video, learn one or two things, and if you have any question as far as my tutorial is concerned, put your question in the comment section down below. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel when you visit. Let's get the tutorial started. Welcome back, guys. I welcome you to my Corel X7 tutorial day 16. If you have not watched my previous tutorial in Corel X7 tutorial for beginner, kindly check it on my channel. The channel's name still remains the same, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. Remember to subscribe when you visit, right? So in today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can make use of powerclip tools and artistic media tools in Corel X7, right? So I'll go to my tools bar now. Start with powerclip, right? I'll click down. Okay, I'm going to select my circle now. I'll make a perfect circle. Press B to centralize. Now you make use of powerclip. This depends on the kind of design you're going to do. You can powerclip in a custom shape. You can powerclip in a basic shape. You can make use of any picture. You can use background picture, just to make sure that whatever you're going to. You can even powerclip a shape into a new shape. Shaping in Corel X7, right? So what I'm trying to point out here is that when you go to want to make a powerclip, you need to import the picture into the Corel workspace. So you go to your menu bar here, you click on this icon. This simply means you want to import a picture. Then from this point here, you can select the actual picture you want to powerclip in your picture folder. So I'm going to make use of this as my first example. Then I'll click on import. Then I'll drag and drop. Now you can see that here the picture here is very much wider than the circle, right? So what are you going to do next is to click on the picture. When you click on the picture, then you need to go to the menu bar here. Then you look for your effects. Then powerclip, from powerclip, place inside frame. When you select it, your mouse is going to turn to some arrow like this. Then you come to the circle or any shape you want to powerclip the picture, and you click on it. It's going to automatically powerclip. Then one other thing you can do is that if you are not satisfied with the way the picture has been powerclipped in your shape, you can as well make use of all these tools here. This photo simply means you want to make a change to exactly what you powerclip. Then you can click on this edit powerclip. So the picture is going to open in another environment. You can resize. So you can share the picture. So whichever way, if you are satisfied with the result, then you click on stop editing powerclip. So this is the first step by which you can make use of powerclip in a very simple way. Then one other thing you can do to this thing is that you can as well click on edit powerclip. If you don't like this picture, you click on edit powerclip. Then you don't like this picture, you want to change it to another one, then you can just press delete key on your keyboard. It's going to delete automatically. So when you delete it, you can click on stop editing this. So when you click on stop it, you're going to have something like this. This does not mean anything, does not stop you from still make use of another picture to powerclip. So you go back to your powerclip here, then you can look for another picture now. So this time around, I'm going to powerclip this. Click on import, drag and drop this down. Then I'll go to my effects. Then powerclip is inside frame. Go. So you can see everything looks good. So this is how you make use of powerclip in Corel X7. You can as well format the circle. You can add color. Then you can increase stroke width after you have done with your powerclip. So you can come here and type the figure and press enter on your keyboard. Sorry. So I'm going to try 40 and press enter on your keyboard. So everything is going to look good as far as Corel 7 is concerned. Delete. Now we're going to talk about how you make use of artistic media to the Corel X7. Right? So you have to go to your toolbar again and select the artistic media tool. So under the pen tools here, you're going to click down. When you click down, you see a variety of more tools here. So I'm going to select artistic media tool. When you select artistic media, this is simply means a CorelDraw brush. Right? So from the menu bar here, you can see the artistic media property ranging from this side here. This is simply means a brush. Then here we have, you select this, you are going to have different type of brush. But before you get that, you're going to come down here and select any type of brush you would like to use. So let's say for instance I'm going to make use of this. Then just draw like, and make a straight stroke like this. Alright. So one other thing, you can use your artistic media tools to you can click down. Now you can select your pen tools now. So when you select pen tools, you can make a perfect straight line. Now you can turn this to brush in CorelDraw. So you click the tools here and select artistic media. Then you come here, you can change the pattern. So you can select this. Good. So you can change it to another style, anyone you like. Just continue to choose. This depends on what exactly you're going to achieve. Then you can increase the size from this here. So you can change the color of this. And you can press P to centralize. Alright. So let's quickly take a look at another one here called spray. So when you select spray, so you're going to have spray property here. You can select from brush stroke. So you can make use of the default here. Default, these are the spray brush that CorelDraw has. You can click on it. So if you select anyone here, it's going to automatically spread out for your design. Then you can just draw like this. It's going to spray. That is it. Then you can come here and select another one. Good. And you can come here and change the format, wood. You can click on this and select any type of wood. So it's going to automatically update. You can draw larger one. So these are the set of wood. You can as well come here again and change to objects. Then you select from this point here. So these are different type of objects you can use. Then select tools. And, so one other thing you can do is that you can go to menu bar here, you click on arrange, break artistic media group apart. And this is simply means that you want to drag them one after the other. So you have to come to the menu bar here and group. Then you can take this one on one side, change the color. Take this one here, change the color. So this is how you make use of artistic media tools, powerclip, and more in Corel. Except if you enjoyed this video, click the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos in CorelDraw, Photoshop, and Illustrator. Thank you for watching from the beginning to the end. See you soon.